Telephones. Telephones are a major part of our lives these days. When I was growing up, I perhaps used the phone once a week. It was almost a big event when it rang. Everyone rushed into the living room to find out who was calling. Of course, it was an old-style phone, the size of a football, and you had to leave it on the table because it was plugged into the wall. Today, however, is a totally different matter. Everyone has a phone. Some people I know have several. They change them every 6 months when the latest models come out. Today's phones aren't really phones. They are like personal entertainment devices that have a phone. I'm waiting for the watch phone. I'm sure it'll be here soon.
A picture perfect night, just like a dream, it feels so right. Everything right here, all I need is here. I've lived my whole life through, wishing and hoping but never knew. Now you're standing here with me, nowhere I would rather be. Open up your eyes, I'll show you